My name is Alberto Bárcenas. I am a student in the CNCI Virtual University in the Industrial and Systems Engineering degree. And today I will show you my integrative project. Some friends and me are trying to plan a party because we haven't been together for a long time. So please follow me to check the details of this party. First of all, we are selecting some fast food from the list in the screen. For example, some pizza, some hamburger, or some hot dog. But how much pieces do we need from each kind of food? Well, as we're planning to have a party for 20 people, we are planning to buy 30 pieces of each kind of food. And now the drinks. How many wine do we need, or do we need some beer? Well, we are voting, and the preferred drinks are beer, coffee, soda, and wine. So we are going to buy some bottles of each drink in order to get a really, really good party.